In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Figma. If you've ever struggled to see tiny details or wanted a quick way to step back and view your entire layout, mastering zoom is going to make your workflow faster and more accurate. First, open the Figma website in your browser. Give it a second to load, then open your design file. This can be a project from your recent files or something saved in your drafts. Once your canvas is visible, you're ready to control the zoom. On the left side of the interface, look for the toolbar. Find the magnifying glass icon and click it to activate the zoom tool. With this tool active, each click on the canvas brings you closer to the area you're focusing on, making it easier to refine small elements like icons, spacing, and typography. This is a great option when you want to be intentional about where you're zooming, because it focuses right where you click and helps you work with precision. Another reliable way is to use the menu at the top. Click View, and in that menu, you'll see options for zoom in and zoom out. Choose Zoom In to get a closer look, or zoom out to see more of the layout at once. This method is clear and predictable, and it's helpful if you prefer using the menu or you're still learning where everything is in Figma. It also ensures consistent increments so you won't overshoot your ideal view. If you want the fastest method, use the keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl and the plus key to zoom in, and Ctrl and the minus key to zoom out. Tapping these repeatedly adjusts your view in small steps, so you can quickly dial in the perfect level of detail without taking your hands off the keyboard. It's a simple habit that can save a lot of time when you're moving between close inspection and overall layout checks. As you zoom, keep an eye on your canvas and maintain context. Zooming in helps you fine-tune details, while zooming out helps you check alignment, spacing, and visual hierarchy across the full page or component set. If things ever look off-center after zooming, just pan slightly to reposition your view, and then continue adjusting the zoom to suit your task. That's all you need to confidently zoom in and out in Figma. Open the site, load your design, use the left side zoom tool when you want precision clicking, use View for menu-based control, and use Ctrl+ and Ctrl- for speed. Happy designing!